Hello, welcome to VONNIE Talk. Today, I would like to show you our processing department. This is one of our department of the processing. You can see this is the CNC machine. It's from the Nidec, the Taiwan brand. Also, this is another CNC machine, and the accuracy can achieve within 0.01 millimeter. Also, this is another CNC machine. Due to the parts require different processing and different accuracy, so we have a different type of the CNC machine. For the raw material, we also do the process in this traditional machine. This is some of our raw materials and show you some finished product. This is the finished product of the shop of the straightening rollers. After our processing finish the shop, we will protect well and put the oil inside to protect the shop. Cannot get another problem to convert the finished product. This is another shop. This is for the small rollers shop. And you need to do another process. And also those are the another parts. You can see the parts are in the high precision. If we want to get the high precision machine, for the first part is our machine parts need to get the higher accuracy, higher tolerance. So we need the higher precision CNC machine to help us to achieve better and the best accuracies for the parts. Under this way, to convert our machine in the higher accuracy and more stable. That's why our straightening machine can achieve the straightness less than 0.3 millimeter per meter and the tolerance less than -and plus 0.02 millimeter. If you are looking for the high precision straightening machine, culture machine, and the plating machine, welcome to contact us.